my name is Ajay and I study in 7th grade of SAP GBSS. My teacher name is Kavita Didi.
Hello ma'am, my name is Lucky and I study in SAP GBSS school and I study in 7th grade and my teacher's name is Kavita Didi.
I love about Pankaj that he is very confident about his answer and he is very confident about everything. He can speak everything clearly to everyone.
I love about Pankaj is he speak English very fluently and he can be inspired also by me because he speak English fluently and he not scared from the cameras and I want to be him.
I like about Ajay is that whenever I have any doubt in maths, so Ajay tell me it very nicely, and he have lots of formulas of one problem like pictorially and by numbers also. And the thing I like about Lucky is that Lucky help me in the problems, not only academics but other problems also.
What I like about Lucky is he has very helping nature. Everybody has problems, so he asks him. He has empathy to everyone, and he asks when everybody is sad. So he asks, "Why are you sad? What happened to you?" So I like Lucky. The thing that I like about my class is that they show value of grit. Grit means that they not fail. They try everything again and again. So in the last, they get the right answer.
Tell me one more value. Yes, please. So the another value is the respect, and in our class everyone talk respectfully.
The example for self introspect is I see other classes that they complain each other and not look themselves first and most of the time in our class all the students see themselves that they have do something wrong, so then they correct. If first they correct themselves and then they correct others. Before coming Kavita ma'am, so Sadika ma'am has kept gentlemen's club as a theme because most of the time we from the first class we have teaching by TFI, so we behave like a gentleman every time.
Because showing giving respect is that very good thing, because in our community there are very bad peoples and we need lots of gentlemen to respect.
In sixth standard, or some students, not all, some students abuse because they think it is cool to say that words. But now when we become yeah, more when we come in more big classes, so we think that if we doing this, so we what will happen in our career, so we think about the career. And now all the students participate and spoke English and not abuse, and they take they do ownership also. In earlier they don't know do.
My goal for life is I want to become a wildlife photographer because I like photography. And one day I have gone to zoo, and when I was taking pictures of animals, so I am liking that work. So from that day I have make my goal that I want to become a wildlife photographer.
My dream is to become an engineer, but I also want to be a gentleman who respect to other person.
My goal for is I want to become a businessman like others who do, and I think it the businessman is very good of the clothes.
So the activity that by which we will the activity will help us in future is that goal setting, and we know when we set small goals small, so then we go to big.
The thing that I learned in this class that we have to write two things before the class to make our class productive. It will help me by it will become my habit. Like I will write be faster and do neat work. So when I will write them, so I will follow it strictly.
The thing that I learned in this class is we do afternoon meeting in the starting to meditate ourselves and keep our mind fresh, and we doing that so our mind can get fresh and we can focus on the studies. And we in morning meeting, in afternoon meeting, we know each other better.
The problem that I faced is the abusing language in school. So some student of other class they abuse. So some of are my friend they abuse. So I say to them that don't abuse. This is not good manners. Become a gentleman like me.
Okay. So you went and spoke to them. Very well. Yes, Lucky?
The problem I faced in school is when we are studying during the period ma'am is teaching, the some students of our school hit the doors and disturb, because their teachers are teaching but they do bunking. So I solved it by ignoring also them, but first we try to make them understand about the education. I feel very safe in my classroom, and I not feel very safe in other classroom, because in our classroom we are like a brotherhoods and we help each other every time and we stand for each other and we support. Our teacher not beat us like other teacher. They explain us very clearly and they tell beating is not a solution for everything. You have to understand about the education.
I like maths because if the teacher tell us maths in very easy formula, and when we study maths pictorially, so that's also easy. And in English, the I like to speak English in this period.
I am proud of that my class has input the values of our class, like some students don't respect others, they tease by the others name, like some people say Pankaja's tomato and tawa, but now have in they have shown values, they don't say like him as tomato.
So the thing that I'm proud of is that our class have improved a lot from 6th to 7th. Like I have told in last question that our class have improved in teamwork, helping and respect.
In my class the most thing that has achieved, they all try to participate in every class.
One day, a boy of our class, Yusuf, he was not participating. So, ma'am stand him for giving answer. He was not giving answer. So we encouraged him by saying Yusuf, Yusuf.
Because if we will not learn new things, so our knowledge will not increase, and the knowledge will be as it is.
So why do you want to increase your knowledge?
Because in the life everything come when we are living, and like maths when we go to shopping, so the math also useful in the shopping, and in science whenever we get a fever, so we know that what is the solution of it.
Before taking holiday in my mind, Kavita ma'am motivates me, because Kavita ma'am said one thing is if you take holiday it's your loss, because you have missed one mistake. And I also think the students not can explain me better as Kavita Didi can explain me.
Because if I will not go to school, so some student learn something and they will talk about it that this question has these answers, but I will be silent and sit quietly, so I will feel bad.
The relationship of Kavita Didi is that like a friend, and whenever we have any problem, so we go to Kavita ma'am, and Kavita ma'am tell the solution of it. And first, according to me, first I go to Lucky, and if the Lucky don't have solution of it, then I go to Kavita ma'am.
The relationship is that Kavita Didi is like a sister to me. She is a real sister. When I was sad, I am sad, so she come to me and ask me why are you sad, and she makes me feel happy.
The relationship between me and Kavita ma'am is real sister, and it helped me when I am feeling sad. She is not like others teacher, only do formality and come say okay now you stop crying, now we study. She go and make us smile and do some make us nahi, and say jokes to make us smile.
So the Didi gives us a group task to improve our teamwork and how to work in a team.
The habits are that a good teacher will have, that they talk to politely to their student, don't hit them, don't talk rudely. If they are doing bad things, so sit with him and talk him so he can be good. The happiest moments are that first moment is when Kavita Didi ties Rakhi, and second moment is when all students make a student sabha in which any student can come and show his talent. And what I like in it that one student come and do Kavita ma'am's acting.
The happiest memory for me is when we do fun time with ma'am, and we only talk about the jokes and not about studies. We put out all the pressure from our minds, and we only do fun, and that is my happiest one.
First, the Kavita ma'am come, so she was not happy by seeing our class like talking and not studying, not doing homework, saying bad words. But now she has changed our class and changed herself, and now she don't feel sad about our class.
In the future, if we are studying more and more but others not, so our whole class we will help each other and motivate and inspire each, and they will inspire by teachers like Kavita Didi and all.
So the advice is that when they will come in our school, don't think about the other thing that they are abusing me. If they are abusing, so go to your teacher and focus on your studies.
Okay.
And my advice that I want to give to my juniors is that if you are coming in our school, don't become like other students like our seniors of 12th and 11th and 10th class.
My advice to junior 4th 5th standard, when you come in our school, please, you also keep theme gentleman and be like gentleman.